Hey, what's up, guys? This is Guillermo Auto. Got a 2017 Prius Prime. Basically, my display screen does not come on, and when I push my power button, my accessory lights come on. My screen doesn't, and I also get a lane departure malfunction message right here. It says visit the dealer. Anyway, so I'm gonna just show you what my problem was. Basically, it was a fuse that caused both of these not to work. And the fuse is under the hood over here. You just come over here, and it's a fuse right here. It's a little white 25 amp fuse. It's called the DC cut fuse. It's right here on your map thing. DC cut. Basically, I was taking out an aftermarket alarm, and somehow it popped this fuse. So I found this, replaced it, and then it started working again. This is also the fuse they keep out when the car's brand new, and right before they put the car on the lot, they put that fuse in just to save battery life. So anyways, yeah, so now my screen's working, as you could see. When you put that fuse in, you should have your car off. Like, don't have the accessories on or anything, just to be safe. And yeah, that's it, guys. So hopefully this helped you, and you didn't have to look around too much. Now it's working. And yeah, so and if you're doing aftermarket alarm removal on this car, just be careful. And yeah, thanks for watching.